Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the algorithm for finding square root of 5 using fixed point iteration method. So basically we will perform some steps and we will get to our required answer. So first step is we have to define the function fx, and after defining the function we have to define function gx, which is obtained from fx is equals to 0, such that x is equals to gx and g dash x is less than 1. We have to choose initial guess x0, tolerance error e, and maximum iteration n. Fifth step is initialize the iteration counter. Step is equals to 1, and sixth step will be calculate x1 is equals to g of x0. Okay, so we will increase the counter, and if step is greater than n, then print not convergent and go to step 12, otherwise go to step 10. This is a general error we can encounter. So after that, set x is equals to x1 for next iteration, and if f of x1 is greater than e, then we have to go to the sixth step again and perform the actions below it, otherwise we have to go to the step 11, and the 11th step will be display x1 as root, and we will stop this process of fixed point iteration method of finding the root of 5.